Semo cha Nyangweta serituko lya lero asabare abaikirana bunenjire mo yokonyara gusimeke mete sensemeyo omulikito Greaton Makole na ikirana sensemeyo na gutwariga roboti rukubwatia
bunenjire yemo yo ikirania ndoto y'umurai wense yeyo gusimeke mete oiko mwaka w'ekirubere 32 nigobone byombe bigobotana nebyombe biri byamanani amo ni University ya Kisii amona botani bande Ritko lya lero baika asili nani lya Nyangweta asebono bacha kiri obusimeki bimeteyo.
I am the acting chief conservator of forest. I come from Nairobi, and the main purpose of visiting here today was basically to appreciate the good work that has taken place here in terms of conservation. This is Nyangweta forest. We went to Nyangweta forest, and basically this is where we have established a facility for conservation, basically our camp for forest rangers, including a number of facilities and even a tree nursery. Our main role is to ensure that the government plan of attaining 30% tree cover by 2032 actually takes place.
Korengana na Alexi oyo bono teruna nigobono baroriro rwangurwa Gusii na boroko nyara gusimeke mete menge anekero baroberetie go gusimeke meteri iranyarege kwaligesa abamenyi be county ya Kisii.
And that one can only take place when we make sure that we implement the various intervention areas, the 11 intervention areas. One of the key intervention area is planting trees on farms. Like here in Kisii, we have potential for planting trees. We have potential for raising seedlings because of what we call the comparative advantage. The rain is good, the soil fertility is quite high, and availability of people to engage in raising of seedlings is here. So you can actually raise seedlings. The other one about Kisii that I think should be enhanced is the raising of fruit trees. Fruit trees is going to be an agenda for us, a very important agenda because we require to have at least 30% of what we produce.
Bosimekiwe metebiwo ni oburachiko endera asijinsemo awo ime yomochi obosongo.
In fact, the main idea in Kisii should be value addition and enhancing benefits for the community along the value chain for any product, being agriculture, being forestry, be it any other that can even support up to the industrial level.
Fiki ondeli ngoru azekiombe ekia green farm oyinero nyaraga kwerera obuyabu bosimeke meteyo asorongo rwa Gusii.
We are here today with the Kenya Forests, our stakeholders, Kisii University, Safaricom, commodities. The main theme, we are here to assist the government with the two pillars of climate change and food security. We are also doing tissue culture bananas, whereby we have a lab, we are supplying tissue culture bananas, and we are launching 1 million banana seedlings and 1 million trees. Our first lady will be coming here, and also we have to start earlier before she comes to support the program of Joiwo, whereby we support women with the economic empowerment.
Asensemo yokurobekana vikiniga teruna okurobekana nkubu atimatunda ndonsi ojase omo Kenya.
So today we are here to support our people. What our president is talking about, it is our president. Even mandamanos cannot assist us. What can assist us is we go, we do our things, we create jobs for our youth so that they can have economic empowerment in future. That's why we are here today, and thanks our chief conservator. Thank you very much for you coming to Kisii and come again and again. Welcome.
Ngoripotirikata seni Candice TV eridariane Brighton Makoli.